This is what it's like inside the van then. So I've got my cycle helmet on at the same time. But this is what it's like inside the van. So you've got all the cones there and stuff. Then you've got the bank there and stuff. Then you've got the where he makes all the ice cream and stuff like that. And that's the he's got a Harmony 32 micro tunes. So it's on speed, yeah, it's on speed 2 at the minute. Yeah, it's quite a nice van this, actually. Then you've got the freezers here, where he makes all the ice, where all the frozen lollies are. And the flakes there. This will be part 2 of the video. Then you've got all where you got the sink there and stuff like that. Yeah, it's nice. How does the
How does it work?
tune work? Yeah.
Just pull that lever.
Oh, right.
And then you've got all your different settings, your speed.
Yeah.
Your various tunes are on these, and then you can adjust them with different noises.
Oh, right.
So on the chime, can't do it for too long, it'll upset people.
Yeah, exactly.
Doesn't really make a lot of difference. But that is the gizmo.
Yeah. Pardon? Yeah.
You ever pulled a Whippy ice cream? You ever pulled a Whippy ice cream?
No, I haven't done it. Oh yeah, go on.
The machine works. It works off the engine. I've just switched
Oh, right.
the clutch. So to start it, you have to press that button.
Oh, right.
And then you have your settings. I leave it on temperature, which chills the hopper, which has got the liquid in.
Oh yeah.
The frozen chamber here, to operate that, you then got to switch it to that.
Right.
Now to pull a Whippy, it's like the clutch on the car, you've got to feel the pressure point.
Okay.
Then don't push it down anymore. Find the bite, do a little twist and cut it off.
Okay. I have to set this up on the tripod. This could be interesting. Fat, do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I hold it, let me put that in the rack so I'm not wasting it. If you go over there.
Right.
Right, have I got a screen here, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. You
Do I need to press any buttons?
No, it's already filming. Right,
Okay.
so
Let me just switch that to 4.
there you go.
Stick a flake in it.
Here you go, see?
There you go. Excellent.
Nice one.
Now your ice cream.
Yeah.
Same for the Whippy. On the van, there's not much else to it. 2 separate freezers.
You got the freezers, yeah.
That's where I keep my mix. That's on my lollies.
Yeah.
All these lids come off, you can open them up completely.
Goodness.
And then 2 chillers. That's where I keep the
Is that basically
ready to
like?
go.
Oh yeah.
And that's where I keep everything else. And the handle keeps falling off. And then all your shelving. That's a nice cream van, really. That's the kit, the whipping
Yeah.
machine. They're very expensive, about 15,000.
Oh, right. Yeah, I suppose it's like weather's like this when you have to be out, I suppose. You know what I mean?
You've still got to go out. This round will do me very well on a sunny day. On a day like today, it takes about a third of what it normally does.
Oh, right.
But it's still worth going out. And you've got to keep your regulars happy. And I just get to eat ice cream. It wouldn't help him. It's my home from home.
True.
It has. You're not allowed to use it. You're allowed to use it when on a round. It's got a bench seat.
Oh,
So
right.
you can have an assistant. But if you go onto a main road or travel more than a third of a mile, then it's illegal.
Oh, right.
So you have to be in a secure seat with a seatbelt.
Oh, right.
So in the winter I'm getting a jump seat bolted to there that folds up with a seatbelt, so somebody can sit there while we're travelling. Inside will remain the same actually. Quite happy with the inside, tidy up a few bits, get the cone rack painted, that thing, it's all the paint's come off. But the outside's getting all the work this winter. It's very hot in the Goon sun.
Yeah, I bet it is.
It's all fiberglass and glass.
Yeah.
Compressor, pumping heat out. Reaches about 47 degrees in it.
Oh, goodness.
Hence 2 fans, which don't really help. But I've had enough ice cream. Yeah, that's effectively an ice cream van. That's all the magic. That machine goes all the way under there and all the way under there. And it runs the prop shaft off the engine.
Yeah.
Straight into the camshaft. First time you've been inside an ice cream van? First time you pulled a Whippeez?
I know.
And it's on film. Good. Something really puzzles me with where the trees falling.
Yeah.
In essence, open. I've never seen a tree fall over.
No. Maybe it's like a warning sign or something.
Quite bizarre.
Do you keep the van at home then, or? Do you keep it at home then, or?
I live on a farm.
Oh, right.
I live in a converted barn. So this gets plugged in, it has to be plugged in every night to charge the fridge up.
Oh, right.
So I keep them on the farm barns with all the farm machinery. It's undercover and I've got electric to it then.
Fair enough.
So it just stays in there. We've got other vans, we've got vans in Essex as well. There's vans in Essex.
Do you reckon some of those will come over here then, or?
No. No, the bulk of the business will stay over there.
Are they all painted in that livery as well?
No, they're all different. There's 3 of them. Mine's going to look like that one.
Oh, right.
Might look like that one. But it'll be navy, all the top half, all the bottom half.
Oh, so you've got other drivers who drive them around there?
Yeah, my business partner, he's got one of them. And then we employ people to drive the others up there.
Oh, right.
next year I probably won't drive this one. I'll probably employ somebody.
Fair enough.
I'll probably get another one down here and make another round.
Oh right.
And then employ somebody on that.
Yeah.
Get 3 down here really.
Oh right, yeah. Do you think there'll be a second one for this area at all, or?
Yeah, Ampthill and Flitwick can produce work for 3 vans, 6 days a week.
Oh right.
Easily. I mean, in 7 days I can't do it Ampthill and Flitwick. Just can't do it. Can't get that deal. Yeah. Plus events and stuff.
True.
A lot of events in August. The vans in Essex are always on events.
Yeah.
We've got one that's on a pitch called Moseley Park in Colchester, and it sits there every day from 10 till 6.
Oh right.
And takes a fortune. So that just sits there. Yeah, it's good. I'll better prod on them more around.
Yeah.
I'll let you exit the